Complete the table 12 in the answer space on page 20 for the equation. So we have y is equal to 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. So you just substitute the value to get in the box. So y is equal to 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. So if x is equal to negative 5.5, so y is equal to 2 negative 5.5 square plus 7 negative 5.5 minus 15. So we get 7. So this one is 7. So the second one, y is equal to, if x is equal to negative 3, y is equal to 2 negative 3 square plus 7 negative 3 minus 15. So we get negative 18. So here is negative 18. So we can see, we can just substitute the value. For this part of the question, use the graph paper provided. You may use flexible curve rule. So 2 cm 1 unit on the x-axis. So 2 cm 1 unit x-axis and 2 cm 5 unit on y-axis. So you see here, x-axis is from negative 6 to 1, and then y-axis is from negative 21 to 15. So almost middle lah. So basically you do like this. So you see negative 6 and 15. So negative 6 and 15. So negative 5.5 and 7. Negative. So you do something like this. So you see negative 6 and 15 here, and then you do negative 5.5 and 7. So you plot all the point, and you see here it's given 2 cm to 1 cm. So negative 6, negative 5, negative 4, and 2 cm to 5 cm on y. So 5, 10, 15. So you get the graph. So you just connect all the points. So I'm sorry, my graph is not that smooth because like it's quite hard using this one. But then if you use your graph paper, make sure you pass through the middle of the point. So you cross all, you meet all the point like this. From the graph in 12b, find the value of y when x is equal to negative 3.3 and the value of x when y is equal to negative 2.5. So if x is equal to negative 3.3, what is y? And if y is equal to negative 2.5, what is x? This is 1 unit and this is 1 unit. So you see here, when x is equal to negative 3.3 and when y is equal to negative 2.5, so we can take it from the graph. So x is equal to negative 3.3. So this is negative 3.3. So 0.3, 1, 2, 3, which is here negative 3.3. So, okay. Ni kau ni. So you meet the point, then you put it to the y-axis. So you get here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 below negative 15. So this is negative 17. So when x is equal to negative 3.3, y is equal to negative 17. Negative 17. Y is equal to negative 2.5. This is negative 5. So negative 2.5 should be in the middle of 0 to negative 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it should be here negative 2.5. So you pull it, you extend it so that it will meet the graph on the, okay, you meet the graph, tarik. So here I meet the graph. So then after I meet the graph, I extend it towards the axis to know what is the value. So you see here I get 1 point almost to negative 5. So this is negative 4.9. So when y is equal to negative 2.5, x is equal to negative 4.9. So the acceptable value x is equal to negative 3.3, y should be negative 16.5 up to negative 15.5, and y is equal to negative 2.5, x is equal to negative 4.9 to negative 4.7. You can try it by yourself, but you know, because my graph is not that smooth, so that's why there's a bit of variance. But then the way to do it is this way. So suitable straight line to satisfy equation 2x squared plus 4x is equal to 2. So 2x squared plus 4x is equal to 2. So we have to rearrange it in terms of this one. So we don't have y, so we rearrange everything. So we get 2x squared plus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. So 0 should be in front. And this one is 2x squared plus 4x minus 2. So we minus y minus 0, we get y. 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. 7x minus 4x is equal to 3x. Negative 15 minus negative 2, we get negative 15 plus 2, which is negative 13. So this is the equation. So equation y is equal to 3x minus 13. Now we have to get 2 points so that we can connect and make line. So you see here, when x is equal to 0, so y-intercept is y is equal to negative 13. And then if y is equal to 0, 3x minus 13 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3x is equal to 13, x is equal to 13 over 3 or 4.3. Now we can sketch on the graph. Y-intercept is negative 3, negative 13. So you add y. So we can see here at x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 13 because this is the y-intercept. And then you can take another point. At x is equal to negative 2, y is equal to 3 negative 2 minus 13. So we get negative 6 minus 13 is negative 19. So make sure this one is negative 2, negative 19. So make sure these two lines, 0, negative 13, is still within the graph. We can fit into the graph. If you cannot fit into the graph, change the value, choose another point which you can make line in your graph. So we have 2 points of y is equal to 3x minus 13, which is 0, negative 13, and negative 2, negative 19. So 0, negative 13 is here, which is negative 13 is 6 point below 10. So negative 11, negative 12, negative 13. This one is negative 13, negative 13, 0. And then you have negative 2 and negative 19. So negative 2 and negative 19. Negative 19 is 2 above negative 20. So this is the line. So you can make straight line from here. So make a straight line connecting these 2 points. So you can see the intersection of two graphs. So the value of x of the intersection is this one. So this one is 0.5. X is equal to 0.5, and here is negative 2.3. X is equal to negative 2.3. So acceptable value. So x is in between. So see, I get 0.5. So 0.3 to 0.5, and then s is in between. So this is 2.3 is between. This is negative 2.3 in between negative 2.3 to negative. This is negative 2.3. So between negative 2.5 to negative 2.3. So you can draw and try to get the value.